Payback time, baby. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word called ödəmək. Ödəmək. Ödəmək can mean to pay, to compensate, or to settle a debt. How? Let's take a look at some phrases and sentences. To pay the bill, to compensate for damage, to settle a debt. Let's see how to say these in Azerbaijani. Hesabı ödəmək. Hesab is the bill. Hesabı da bill. Hesabı ödəmək. Zərəri ödəmək. Zərər is the damage. Zərəri da damage, specific damage. Zərəri ödəmək. Borc, a debt. Borcu, some specific debt. Ödəmək. To settle a debt or pay off. It works for both. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. Restoranda, did you notice? Restoranda written, I said restoranda. Because it's a loan word, and for smoother speech, that's how we do. Writing restoranda, saying restoranda. Now, restoranda hamı yemeği bitirdikten sonra hesabı vaxtında ödemek üçün kartımı çıxardım və kassirin yazdığı məbləği diqqətlə yoxladım. Let's see, what does this mean? After everyone finished eating at the restaurant, I took out my card to pay the bill on time and carefully checked the amount the cashier had written. Let's see. A couple of loan words, but anyways, I think you already guessed those. One of them, we already figured it out. Restoran is a restaurant. Restoranda, at the restaurant. Hamı, everyone. Yemeği bitirdikten sonra, after finished eating. Hesabı vaxtında ödemek için, to pay the bill on time. Kartımı çıkarttım. Kart is the card. Çıkardım, take it out, basically. I took it out. Ve kassirin, kassier is the cashier. Yazdığı məbləği, the amount cashier had written, diqqətlə yoxladım, checked carefully. Diqqət, careful, attention, technically, diqqət. Diqqətlə, carefully, with attention, basically. Okay? Now, next one. Mağazada təsadüfən rəfdəki qabı sındırdığım üçün zərəri dərhal ödəmək öhdəliyini üzərimə götürdüm və satış məsləhətçisindən qəbz istədim. Let's see. Because I accidentally broke the dish on the store shelf, I undertook to compensate for the damage immediately and asked the sales assistant for a receipt. Now, mağaza, it's a loan word. It means store. Mağazada, at the store. Ref is the shelf. Refteki, something at on the shelf, basically. Which one? Gab. It's the dish, plate. It's actually a generic word that can be used for multiple stuff in terms of being a dish, a plate, a thing. Sındırdığım için, because I broke. Zərəri, the damage. Dərhal ödəmək öhdəliyi. Öhdəlik is taking it undertaking something, basically. That's exactly. Ödəmək, in this case, you are trying to compensate for it, right? Hence is the word ödəmək. And compensate, counterpart in English. Öhdəliyi üzərimə götürdüm. I undertook to compensate for the damage. Dərhal, immediately. Satış is a sales, məsləhətçisi, assistance. Technically, literal translation for the word məsləhət is advice. Məsləhətçi, advisor. In this case, sales assistant, satış məsləhətçisi. Qəbz is receipt. Qəbz istədim, asked for a receipt. Now, that was our word today in nice and easy, straightforward use cases for phrases and sentences. I also have a dead joke use case for you. Let's see, what is that? My wallet sighs every time it hears ödəmək. Now, to support you in Azerbaijani language learning journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app for you, where Module 1 is completely free, and that is the foundational module anyone learning the language would want to have. I'm also giving away all the vocabulary words from those modules in the app, plus future modules that will come to there. I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I've been posting blogs every 10 days since November 2025. You will find that the blogs there cover multiple topics, including tips and tricks on grammar, language, history, and cultural aspects. Feel free to check this out. Otherwise, come back for a new word tomorrow. I'll see you there. Cheers.